Hi folks, I had one of my subscribers reach out in my last video that I published here on the Close Proximity AM broadcaster, wanting to know if I could do more of an auto-tune method and do away with the 365 picofarad variable capacitor across the tank circuit. That's to your far right. So I think I've developed a solution. Let's take a look. So here's what I've got. I'm using two Varacaps or Varactor diodes. You can see the 1S V149 again times 2. And I'm feeding that back over, the voltage that is to control that, through a DS3502 digital pot controlled by Arduino. I've since revised the code or sketch in Arduino to scan through the steps for the digital pot, and based on the voltage that's seen back on A2, alpha 2, the pot stops. Thus the circuit resonates. Here's a close-up look of the circuit. Again, it's simple to build. I've just done this on the breadboard at this point in time. One thing I did notice, I may have to increase the inductance just a bit on my inductor, maybe up to 280 to 300 microhenries. So let me show you a couple screenshots on the oscilloscope when I'm tuning through the band and how the circuit reacts automatically to resonate the LC circuit. While turning the Rotary Encoder, again to change the frequency, you can see the dip that we have as it scans through the steps in the digital pot. Once it finds the highest amount of signal back on A2, which was A0 in my old design, the unit will lock, and you can see that's the DC voltage across the Varactor as I'm tuning through here in the middle of the band. And when tuning from 1700 kilohertz down to 530 kilohertz, you'll see the least amount of DC voltage, which again ties to a higher capacitance to make the circuit tune. Again, I'm just toggling back and forth from 1700 to 530, back and forth. So if you're interested in building this circuit, I'll upload the documents to the Google Drive. Just check for the URL in the video description, and the code as well for the Arduino. Thanks for watching.